This week, our students are virtually traveling to Brazil and we're taking a quick tour over to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Over half of it is located in Brazil, and the rest is located in other South American countries. It produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen, and there are about 10 million species of insects and animals that call the rainforest home. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, and each layer has a different job to do. For example, the forest floor is dark and perfect for insects, whereas the canopy layer acts as a roof for protection, and most of the plants and animals live in this layer. For this experiment, you'll need a jar with the lid, some rocks or gravel, a packet of seeds, and some nutrient-rich soil. Add an inch of a layer of rocks. The rocks help to capture the excess water so the plant roots don't sit in the stagnant water in the soil. Next, add the soil until it is halfway or 3/4 full. You're welcome to add moss or other vegetation if you would like. This will act as the rainforest floor. Add in 2 to 3 seeds of your choice. It rains lots in the Amazon, so make sure to put some water into your jar. How is this like a rainforest? This setup is like a rainforest in 2 ways. First of all, the lid of the jar acts as a canopy layer and blocks some light from getting to the bottom. Second, with the lid on, the moisture gets trapped in the jar, as you can see from the condensation on the sides. This makes the inside extremely humid, just like an actual rainforest, where it's humid and rains almost every day. This method of growing will work with all different types of seed, so try experimenting to see what you can grow in your little rainforest. Good luck with your forest! Bye!